Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I'm Sravya. I do videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, cooking, experimental cooking, DIY, whatever comes in my mind. Today I'm going to talk about a subscription box. If you want to know what is the subscription box, I'm going to talk, and if you want to know what things I have got in the subscription box, then please keep on watching. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new videos. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Now let's jump into the video. Today I'm going to show you the April edition of the Glamego box. So I'm going to show you what all I've got in this box. Before going to the details in what I have got the box, let me tell you something about the Glamego box. There are subscription plans of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. I get 1 month subscription box will be retailing for 399 rupees. For that you will get you are going to get 4 to 5 beauty products, and for the 3 month subscription box it will be around 1197 rupees. And after discount you will get for 1047 rupees. That means each month box will be around 349 rupees, and you will going to get same as 4 to 5 products. For 6 month subscription box it will be around 2394 rupees. After discount you will be getting at 1914 rupees. Sorry, 1914 rupees. So one box it will be cost around 319, same as 4 to 5 products you will get. And the 12th month subscription will be 4788 rupees, and after discount you will be getting for 3588 rupees. So 1 month subscription box will be around 299 rupees. So it same as you will be going to get 4 to 5 beauty products. All the price details, everything, and the link of the website, everything will be given in the listed down in the description box. I know it will be little bit of confusion here while telling in the orally, so I'm going to list everything in the description box so you can see. So in this month you are going to get 4 to 5 products. I guess I get 4 products are there, and plus there is a one surprise gift in this. So I'm going to show you one by one. After opening it, you will be something getting like this. All the products will be here. I have already selected the 2 beauty products. I have got the mail and they asked me to select the shade range, so I know 2 of the beauty products what color I'm going to get. That 2 beauty are this, and this will be this came in the bubble wrap. So I'm going to the beauty product one by one. The first product is the Cal eyeshadow, single eyeshadow palette. This is, I don't know what is the shade, but I have got the shade in this one. It is a purple color shade. I'm going to swatch it. I'm having something similar this shade with me, but not this. In this light variant, it is little bit of dark purplish. If you can see, this is the eyeshadow I have got. So yeah, this is one product. Then the second product I have got is the Hip Hop Skincare cleansing charcoal nose strip. I have got 1 pack of the nose strip of a charcoal one. And the second one is the third product is it is a Global Beauty Secret Japanese face wash. This is the new product to me. I don't know how this works, but this product is in a gel form, and after this I'm having a trip also, so I'm going to use this product, and I'm going to update in the Instagram. If you want, you can check it in the Instagram. Then the fourth and the last product is in this box is this lipstick. This is the Star Streaks by Sunny Leone Instant Matte Lip Color. This is the lipstick in the bullet form, and I know already I have selected the shade. So this is something like dark maroonish color. I wasn't having something this color with me, so I have bought this color, and the shade name is Starry Night, and it is in 04 shade. So Starry Night I have bought this. It is in the reddish maroonish color. I wasn't having something color like this, so I have selected this. And the last product, that is a surprise one, it is the active charcoal mask. It is a detox face mask of a deep pore deflections face skin, which cleans and brightens your skin from the Neemly brand. I have heard very good things about the Neemly products, so I'm super excited to try this product also. So yeah, these are the products in which I have got in the Glamego box of this month, April month. If you want also to buy this Glamego box of this month, then head down to the description box and click the link there and fill the details, and you're also good to go to buy this Glamego box. This is the super cheap and good subscription box in the India, so you can give a trial for a month. First for the month you can subscribe and you can take a trial for this. This is the good subscription box, and with the good brands you're getting for 399 rupees, almost 4 products. If I count this month, it is 5 products, so 5 products for 399. I don't think you will get me anywhere. And they haven't mentioned any price of this products. I guess it will be almost the gifts will be around 1000 and more only, I guess. So yeah, the products have already written the prices in this. I'm going to tell you that what is the price and all for this, so that you will get a roughly idea how much this subscription box costs. The lipstick itself is 799 rupees. This face wash is for 300 rupees. This strip is a sample strip, so I don't know what is the price of this. And then the Cal eyeshadow, they haven't mentioned any price of this. And the face wash also, I can't see any price list, but anyhow, if you itself total the lipstick and the charcoal marks also, it is almost 1000 rupees. So you're getting 399 rupees products, that also 5 products, 4 to 5 products. I think it is a super cheap subscription box, beauty subscription box. You can give a trial for that, and yeah, give a trial. And if you are already the subscriber of the Glamego box, then tell me down in the description box what was the surprise gift you got for this month. I would love to know what is the surprise gift you got. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell also. And yes, the giveaway is running on the video. If you haven't known about the giveaway video, then I will be listed in the iCard and even in the description box also, so you can check there. And yes, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. It is a pretty simple giveaway and with pretty simple rules, and if you go to the giveaway video, you will be knowing the details and all. Ask your friends to subscribe so that the giveaway ends very soon. You go head to the video and you will come to know what are the details and all. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I will be super soon catching with a new video. Till then, bye.